Hi there, folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 238. So, in our entertainment story, first of all, potentially a dream job for a fan of the sitcom Friends. So, binge watching seasons 1 to 5 in exchange for $1,000. So, how many episodes of Friends are in seasons 1 to 5 altogether? Well, seasons 1, 2, 3, and 4 have 24 episodes, so that's going to be 4 lots of 24 episodes. And season 3 is an extra episode, so we need to add 25 on for all the episodes in season 3. So that is 121 episodes altogether. Part B is a wee bit trickier. If each episode of Friends is 23 minutes long, what does this work at? It's an hourly rate in pounds and pence, so quite a lot to this. So we need to work out how long all the episodes are altogether, first of all. So it's 23 minutes for each of the 121 episodes. So 23 lots of 100, so 121 lots of 23 minutes, which is 2,783 minutes. But for an hourly rate, we would need to change this into hours, and we do that by dividing by 60. And we get a really, because there's 60 minutes in an hour, and we get a really awkward looking decimal number here. So for an hourly rate, it's the amount of money paid, which is $1,000, divided by the number of hours worked. And to put this into a calculator, I would work that out first of all, and then press 1,000 divided by the answer button in your calculator, which is just to the left of the equals button. And if you do that and round to two decimal places for money, it comes out as $21.56 per hour. But to change into pounds and pence, to change pounds back into, to change foreign currency back into pounds, we need to divide by the exchange rate. And again, rounding to two decimal places, £15.62 per hour, not a bad hourly rate at all. But of course, the restrictions, being 18 or older and being allowed to work in the United States, I think that maybe rules out quite a few of our readers. Okay, guys, on to our sports story. One of my sporting icons growing up, I actually had the opportunity to play him once in an exhibition match of snooker. Stephen Hendry has now returned to the professional game, targeting 800 centuries. So our question this week is, what is the highest score that can be achieved from a single break in snooker? And you must explain your answer. So 15 reds, and after potting each red, you have to nominate a colour. So if you're trying to get the highest score, you would pick the colour with the highest score, which is 15, which is blacks, which are 7 points. So 15 red balls and 15 black balls. First of all, to deal with all the red balls. So that's going to be 15 times 1, add 15 times 7, which comes out as 120 points. So once all the reds are gone, the remaining 6 colours are then potted in ascending order. So that's going to be 2 points for the yellow, 3 points for the green, 4 for the brown, 5 for the blue, 6 for the pink, and 7 for the black. And if you add all them together, it's 147 points that you can get. And that is also called a maximum in snooker, and it's really rare. So well done to Stephen Hendry making his return, and we look forward to seeing him break that record that he wants to beat. So a heartbreaking story from the UK. A couple miss out on an 182 million Euro Millions jackpot after their ticket payment didn't go through, and they actually thought that they'd won. So we'll try not to bring up some bad memories here. We'll just quickly review what those unlucky numbers were. So the square root of 36 is 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. An order of operations, we do the multiply first. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 add 6 is 12. A half of 44 is 44 divided by 2, which is 22. 57 take away 28 is 29. 11 plus 22 is 33. Starting at minus 2, going up 8 would take you up to 6. And 132 divided by 12 is 11. So commiserations, guys, and hopefully hopefully some luck is coming your way after that. Okay, guys, so on to Friday's episode of The Chase. Too good a maths question not to share. The contestant did answer it correctly. You technically shouldn't know the answer. What fraction of a glass of wine is the fraction of a standard bottle? Well, you needed to know that a standard wine bottle had 750 millilitres in it, so it's 250 out of 750. And we can simplify this fraction by dividing top and bottom by 250. 250 divided by 250 is 1, and there are three 250s in 750. So the answer we were looking for was B, 1/3. There you have it, folks. That was our word solutions. We hope you enjoyed answering them, and in particular, the folks at home enjoyed answering the last question. Stay tuned for next week's edition, when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.